Haba wakili mense ya Kenya ningo bagenda tukuro kubore kwa bogo cha serikali kwene kya bunango batinyeriere uburendi chinga kibare ase obo koreri wabo ane chinga kyaba wakili kurwase chinsemo awane me county ya Kisii baba wesokya nagokora ukorobekana ko murembe aso kumurera umu chief magistrate abwekigamiro kya makadara imyo mu Nairobi oyo bakago siriyo bugima bwaya kubwatikana no koraswa chinga kyare ase obo koreri okwana chinga kye chipogo ngaba wakili abo babere bakubulya amagacho gusebigambero ebinge kwagacho iminsi ya Kenya asenteremo yo kubakonya wekiranyo bokorera burobi yago cyase aba 90 Mildred Momanyi namake
aba wakili imeyomo chobutsongo omobasolero nigo bakora okorobekana kwa murembe goikase cyabisi cyo county commissioner okisi bunenchereye moyo kugikeria oboiti bomona cyebina bwekegambero kya makadara Monica Kivuti uyo osiria obugima bwaye kubwatikana n'ekingoma kya masasi magayaye gusaganwa no munyanyimbo oyo mokuregeta sendi kya Londiani oyo otaga ogetiwe no konachwa wekinekyo kya mobwatiranetie omorugi oyem.
Some massive demonstrations against the loss of one of the judicial officers in Nairobi, Makadara Law Courts. And with us, we have two judicial officers in Kisii Law Courts. And we want to state that we really condemn in the strongest terms possible the senseless and barbaric killing of the magistrate, the judicial officer. We wish to state that it's very unfortunate that the judicial officer lost her life while in the line of duty. So it's so sad that the security in our law courts appears compromised. So I wish to state that I wish to condemn the killing, really, which happened within the court precincts. And as law society, we also feel that our lives are not safe because we are the stakeholders in justice system.
Wakili abo bakoragwa na Bernard Gichana oyore munyakergo bwa abawakili asorosagia rwa Southwest branch nigo bagikeria egekorwe kyo asibate babuna nigo keregento kyo goichania mono ekero mona chebina akurwanira obwene bwa bananchi ugosiria obugima bwae ase chinchira bunekyo cyomo basokano atarikerania endoto yae.
We urge the government to beef up security for our judicial officers who are handling very sensitive matters. Further, I wish to state that we lost a very young life, very dynamic, who had a bright future, and she left behind a very small child.
Bono nigo barwa okubolya gocyase serikali gotinya obulendi ase bigambero bunenchereye ya moyo gosiria ebikorwa bunebyo.
Our judicial officers who are handling some of the very sensitive matters are not well guarded. We also request the government to beef up security of our judicial officers even at their residences, so that they are safe, so that they're not threatened by, so that they're not worried about their security. And I want also to urge our judicial officers to be firm in the way they're handling their work, so that the criminal justice is safeguarded.
I want to condemn the killing of our judicial officer in the strongest term possible, and wish to call upon our government to look into this issue in a broader perspective. Imagine if our members of parliament have more than one security personnel allocated to them. For sure, it won't cost the government anything for them to allocate security personnel to our judicial officers who are dealing with very risky.
Asitinga kiecho nigo county commissioner we county ya Kisii abenekelianga mbachigotinya obolendi engaki bale asemeremo yabo.
Ndetu hapa Kisii nataka niwahakikishie kwamba usalama ya wale watu ambao wanafanya judiciary iko sawa. Tumeweka mikakati. Hatutapata na hatujawahi kuwa na kisa ingine. Hatujawahi kuwa na kisa na hatutapata kisa kama hiyo.
Ngolipotelea igetaseni kya Ndizi TV ile Italiane Mildred Momanyi.